The Earth is spinning incredibly fast right now. At the equator, we are moving at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. That's faster than a jet plane. Faster than a bullet. And yet, we feel absolutely nothing. How is that possible? To understand this, imagine sitting in a train that is moving smoothly at a constant speed. When the train isn't accelerating or braking, you barely feel movement at all. Our bodies don't sense speed itself. We only sense changes in speed, acceleration. And the Earth rotates very steadily, without sudden stops or starts. No acceleration means nothing for our bodies to detect. Another important reason we don't feel the Earth spinning is that the atmosphere rotates with the planet. The air, the clouds, the weather, everything is moving together with Earth. It's like sitting inside a car with closed windows. Even if the car is moving fast, you don't feel wind inside because the air moves with you. We also don't feel the motion because we were born into it. From the moment we appeared on this planet, we have always been moving with Earth. Our brains are completely adapted to this environment. It's like a fish not noticing the water around it. Motion at a constant speed becomes the normal state. Another key point is the size of the Earth. Earth is huge, over 12,000 kilometers across. When such a massive object rotates, the movement at the surface feels incredibly smooth. If the Earth were small, like a playground merry-go-round, we would definitely feel the spinning. But because the planet is so large, the rotation feels gentle and subtle. But what would happen if the Earth began spinning faster? Days would become shorter, gravity would slightly weaken, and water would shift toward the equator. You wouldn't feel the rotation directly, but you would see the effects everywhere. The truly dramatic scenario is if the Earth suddenly stopped spinning. If the rotation came to an instant stop, everything on the surface would keep moving forward at the same speed Earth had been spinning. Buildings would collapse, oceans would surge out of their basins, and winds would reach unimaginable speeds. It would be a global catastrophe. Fortunately, nothing in nature could realistically stop Earth suddenly. What can happen, though, is slow changes. And in fact, Earth is already slowing down very gradually. Every century, our day becomes about 1 to 2 milliseconds longer. This happens because the moon's gravity is pulling on Earth, taking a tiny bit of rotational energy away. So why don't we feel the Earth spinning? Because the motion is perfectly smooth. Because the air moves with us. Because we grew up in this rotating system. And because the planet is so enormous that its rotation feels gentle and invisible. The truth is, we are racing through space at incredible speeds, spinning, orbiting, moving through the galaxy, and all of it feels completely normal. Our world is constantly in motion, even if we never notice it. If you stop for a moment and think about it, it's almost magical. We live on a giant spinning ball, flying through the cosmos, and it feels perfectly calm.